Yeah, in just a few minutes, I made 8.2k using nothing but this AI-powered trading bot. No stress, no guesswork, just pure calculated profit. This isn't just another random tool, it's a trading revolution, whether you are a beginner or a pro. This bot is built to identify market trends, place precision trades, and secure insane profits. If you are still struggling with trading manually and struggling, it's time to upgrade your game. Let me show you how. Alright, we're going all in today, starting with a 2k trade in 1 minute time frame. Watch how the AI bot scans the market in real time, picks the perfect entry, and execute flawlessly. Trade run. And boom, first trade, secure 3.6k total now. Next up, a 3k trade. Let's see how the bot reacts, analyzing, executing. Look in, this AI is a beast at predicting markets, movement. Trade running, and there we go, another 3k profit secured. For the final trade, let's push it, another 3.2k trade. This is where the bot risk management comes in, calculating the safest possible entry for max profit. Trade final log with total profit for today 8.2k. This is why I trust AI over emotions when trading. So how does this bot consistently deliver these insane profits? Unlike human traders, this AI bot second guesses, it deducts market patterns faster than any human could. It reacts without hesitation and execute at the perfect moment. And the best part, no more sitting for hours, staring at charts while you are sleeping, working, and chilling. The AI bot is analyzing, executing, and stacking up profits. This is your chance to trade smarter, not harder. Our Premium Trading Algo AI bot is available now only for a limited time. Special offers running on our website. Secure your spot today and start seeing real results. Want to see it in action? Join our free demo session and witness the power of AI trading. Like, comment, and subscribe for more epic trading content. Let's win big together.